Living in Green Cove Springs means enjoying the charm of a welcoming community, beautiful riverfront scenery, and peaceful residential neighborhoods. But even in such a tranquil setting, unwanted noise can still find its way into your home, whether it's traffic, lawn equipment, nearby construction, or even the hum of daily life outside your door. If you've noticed that outdoor sounds easily travel indoors, the problem might not be your walls or windows, it could be your doors. Proper door installation plays a major role in creating a quiet, comfortable home environment. With the right materials and professional installation, you can dramatically reduce noise levels, enhance your home's privacy, and enjoy a more peaceful living space. Here's how expert door installation can make a difference for Green Cove Springs homeowners. Why doors play a key role in sound control. Doors act as barriers between the inside and outside world, but not all doors are built or installed equally. Many older homes in Green Cove Springs still feature hollow core doors or improperly sealed frames, both of which allow sound to travel freely. Even small gaps or misalignments around a door can create direct paths for noise to enter. Properly installed, high-quality doors form a tight seal that helps block airborne sound. Professional installation ensures that every component, from the door slab to the frame, threshold, and weather stripping, fits together perfectly to create an effective sound barrier. This precision not only keeps noise out but also prevents drafts, improving your home's overall comfort and energy efficiency. Solid core and insulated doors make a big difference when it comes to sound reduction. Solid core doors are a clear upgrade over hollow ones. These doors are made from dense materials that absorb and reflect sound waves instead of allowing them to pass through. For Green Cove Springs homeowners, popular noise-reducing options include solid wood doors, naturally dense and effective at dampening sound. Fiberglass doors, designed with foam insulation for both energy efficiency and sound absorption. Steel doors, strong, durable, and excellent for blocking exterior noise when properly insulated. Professionals can help you select a door material that complements your home's style while meeting your specific soundproofing needs. Whether you live in a busy area near US 17 or a quieter residential street closer to the St. Johns River. The importance of a tight, secure fit. Even the best door won't perform well if it's not installed correctly. Small installation mistakes, like uneven frames or poor sealing, can allow sound to leak in around the edges. That's why professional door installation is crucial for noise control. Experienced installers in Green Cove Springs use precision tools and techniques to ensure a perfect fit. They properly align the hinges, seal the threshold, and apply high-quality weather stripping around the perimeter. This careful attention to detail creates an airtight barrier that minimizes sound transfer, whether it's the noise from a passing car, a neighbor's lawnmower, or wind whistling through gaps. Multi-layer design for ultimate quiet. Modern doors are engineered with multi-layer construction, combining sound-dampening cores, insulating foam, and durable outer materials. When paired with double-sealed weather stripping, these doors provide a level of sound control that goes far beyond what standard models can achieve. Professional installers understand how to position and secure these layers for optimal performance. The result? A quieter, more comfortable home environment where you can relax, focus, and rest without constant background noise. Added comfort and energy efficiency. Soundproofing isn't the only benefit of professional door installation. A properly sealed door also helps maintain consistent indoor temperatures, keeping warm air inside during cooler months and blocking hot, humid air during Florida's summers. This added insulation reduces strain on your HVAC system, lowering energy bills while improving comfort. You'll enjoy a home that's quieter, cleaner, and more energy efficient all year long. Enhancing privacy indoors and out. Whether you're working from home, enjoying a movie night, or simply relaxing, privacy matters. Properly installed doors help limit noise between rooms as well as from outside sources. If you're replacing interior doors, solid core models installed by professionals can reduce sound transfer between bedrooms, offices, and living areas, creating a more peaceful environment for everyone in the household. Final thoughts. In Green Cove Springs, homeowners value peace, comfort, and quality living. With professional door installation, you can achieve all three. Upgrading to solid core or insulated doors, combined with expert installation, reduces noise, blocks drafts, and improves your home's energy performance. The difference is noticeable: quieter rooms, consistent temperatures, and a greater sense of calm throughout your home. When you're ready to create a more peaceful living space, trust your local Green Cove Springs door installation professionals. Their precision craftsmanship and understanding of Florida's unique climate ensure results that not only sound better but feel better, too.